Hi traders, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mari B from BloomFX and I just finished to do the weekly analysis and I said to share them here with you. I would like to start with EURJPY, and here we have also the monthly chart, and as you can see, if you remember, as I said last week, EURJPY makes a dangerous range in this area, even if I still bet on a sell, because on the 1 month chart EURJPY it's overbought and it formed the W. Okay, so this is the W here, and but only up to the area of 128.700 and 128.200, where I think EURJPY would force to climb back to 132.600 area, which is the Fibonacci level of 786. Okay, so this is the Fibonacci level. So this is what I said last week. This week I will keep last week idea, and I will wait for a close above 130.700 area, which is also the trend line. So here we have the trend line, okay, of the last 10 years, or below 129.600 area, even for 1 day, to decide on a trend. However, even if it can go down, okay, to the Fibonacci 618 level, it is only a matter of days until EURJPY will force the Fibonacci 786, okay, from where the price will continue to go down again. So I'm expecting for EURJPY to reject from this area and to come down, okay. Please have a great attention, because our analysis have an accuracy of over 91% due to the market manipulation during this period. I will avoid putting exactly values of stop losses. Right now I would like to continue with EURUSD, and EURUSD we have here the weekly chart, and again I will repeat myself as I said last week's. EURUSD also climbed above the Fibonacci 618 area, which is around here, and it closed above Fibonacci 0.5, where even if it climbs to what we have here, 1.2150 area, it will have a 40-50 pips rejection, and then it will go up again. But this week, exactly as I said last week, EURUSD dropped at 40-50 pips and climbed it above the Fibonacci level of 0.382, okay. Depending on the USD situation next week, EURUSD may test the 1.2500 area again, and then to continue to go up to 1.23500, okay. However, a close even for 1 day below 1.2500 will mean another sell we will see a sell where the price will go to Fibonacci 0.618 area, okay, which, if you think about it, if the price will do like this, then it will show again like an M, okay, so it means that the price can come down. Let me continue with EURJPY, and EURJPY on the weekly chart. Okay, so this is what happened last week. I will look for a buy, and it just happened. And this week EJ made the move, okay, made the move that we anticipated last week, okay, so you can see it and confirm it, and rejected again from the trend line, okay, so this is a very strong trend line, and now it will force the Fibonacci 618 area and makes a range on that zone, okay. a closure even for one day over the 0.87500 area will make me to think for a buy up to the 0.8889. Okay, so this is the area where I think that the price can go, because also here, as you can see, we have the 0.5 Fibonacci level. Please have a great attention that our analysis have an accuracy of over 91% to do the market manipulation during this period. I will avoid putting exactly values of stop loss, okay? And please give a like if you find this idea useful. And please don't go into a trade if you don't have any confirmation, okay? Let me continue with USDJPY. And USDJPY, it moved beautifully, and as you can see, it rejected very nice from these two trend lines here, and I think that this week USDJPY closed above 108, okay, and now I will look for a sell until the Fibonacci 0.5 area, okay, so I think that the price will come down where I expect a major rejection of 200 or maybe 250 pips. But however, if it closed even for 4 hours over the 108.550 area, it will make me follow a buy to area of 1.9800 area. Okay, so you have here exactly the direction, so I'm waiting for the price to come down, and from here from 0.5 to reject, and then to continue to go up first to where we have the 0.382 area, and then the price to continue to go even higher. Okay, so please give a like if you find this idea useful, and please trade it only if you have a good confirmation. Right now let me continue with GBPUSD, and for this pair I can say that this week I will continue to look for a sell for another 500 pips out of the 1000 that I predicted a few weeks ago, if you remember, and also you can check it and see it. This week I expect a range in this area to 1.38 1.40, but if it's going to close for 1 month below 1.39 for 400, okay, I will bet for a sell up to 1.35 sorry area, and from there I will make again analysis. Okay, so I am expecting for the price to come a little bit up, reject from this area, come back down, okay, and from here we will do again some analysis. Okay, so please have a great attention that our analysis have an accuracy over 91% of the market manipulation. I will avoid putting exactly values of stop losses, and also we recommend avoiding short-term trades during this period, because news can appear at any time that then can destabilize the market. Okay, so again I will repeat myself, please try to trade only if you have a good confirmation. Okay, let me continue with GBPJPY. Look at this beautiful chart, and I can say that this week, as I said last week, GJ dropped another 200 pips and reached 500 pips out of the 500 and 700, I think between 500 and 700, where we forecast in the last weeks. Okay, however, GJ closed over the very strong area of 149.300 area, and now I expect to retest at the zone of 159.950. Okay, and then the price to come back down again. So the price will play a little bit here, so if it's going to break this area, then the price can come down. Okay, also you can follow me, for those that they are already in my group, they can follow everything that I am doing, and if I see any opportunity, because they know that I love this pair GJ, we can have the trade together, okay? Or maybe we can have in the YouTube when I will do also the live session. Right now I would like to continue with gold, because also it's very nice to trade gold, but it's very, very difficult. But again, I will say myself that, again, as I predicted, this week gold has that retreat until the 1760 area, okay, which is around here, where also we have the Fibonacci 0.5, okay. So this week, as you can see, gold has that retreat until the 1760 area where he rejected, and it continued his way to 1823, okay. So from there it has to close over one to close even for one day over 1880. So for the price to continue to go up, it has first to come down a little bit, reject from this area, and then to continue to go higher, okay. So please have a note that our analysis have an accuracy of over 92% in the last 5 months, okay. Also I recommend avoiding short-term trades during this period, because news can appear at any time that they can destabilize the market, okay. So wait for the best moment, okay. But I do think that the price can come down. It touch again the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, and from here it's going to reject and it's going to continue to go higher, okay. Right now I would like to continue with Nasdaq, and for this one it's very simple, because this week it made a correction, and I was talking about, and now I expect it to go up, but only the sky is the limit. So this one, it did exactly how I predicted, okay. And I do believe that the price will touch again this area of 13,852, and from here the price to continue to go higher, okay. So as I said, only the sky is the limit, but please be careful before choosing Nasdaq. And I would like to continue also with DXY, and for this one, this week I will say, as I said last week, DXY made a small retreat and then it went down, okay. I expect this week, I expect next week, even if the DXY retracement makes a small move to the 90.38, what we have 90.389 area in the next period. So I'm expecting for the price to come back down again, okay. And now I would like to go to the last pair that I choose for the next week. It's AUD/USD, which also this pair I like it very much, and I say that this week, as I said, AUD/USD, it's in a very strong area where it has been in a range for a few weeks, okay. But as long as it is on the trend line, I will keep the sell idea until the 0.74990 area, okay. So I do believe that the price will reject from this trend line and then to come back down, okay. And so I said that I will keep the sell idea until the 0.74990 area, and from there I will do again some analysis, because I want to be sure that I do them correctly, okay, because I don't like mistakes. So I would like to do again some analysis on this pair, but however a close even for one day over the 0.77800 area, okay, which is around here, will make me think of a buy for, I don't know, 100 150 pips, something like this, okay. And please, again, I will repeat myself, have a great attention, because our analysis have an accuracy of over 92% due to the market manipulation. I will avoid putting exactly values of stop losses right now, okay. Please try to trade only if you have any confirmation, okay. If you are already in my group, we will talk about more things, and I will explain you my strategy and exactly what do I see for the next week. And for those that they are not in my group, I will invite you on YouTube, where I'm doing the live session, okay. And there I give free education, and sometimes when I see a trade I take it, okay. And I wish you a profitable week, and please give a like if you find all my ideas useful.